Welcome to the 2023 GMC Terrain SLT in sterling gray metallic. This SUV is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Terrain, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, heads-up display controls, automatic headlights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, button-controlled shifter, all-wheel drive controls in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Terrain, starting off with the 19-inch aluminum wheels paired up with Hankook Kinergy tires. Moving right along, paint-matched door handles, Terrain badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, red GMC badge in the center of the chrome grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows, chrome trim along the top of the windows. Roof rails are installed. SLT badge near the end of the vehicle. And at the back of the vehicle, chrome Terrain all-wheel drive and red GMC badge, all on GM's multi-stage hatch. Heading back inside the Terrain, back seats here are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down in the middle. Bose audio continues throughout the vehicle, and here in the center console we have 2 USB charging ports as well as a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough in the 2023 GMC Terrain SLT. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.